Afternoon, folks. Well, I suppose you want to know what it is that we have come to see. Well, as you can probably tell from the background, it has got a bit of a railway theme. And, you know, what could it be? Well, let's have a look. We have come to see Sir Miles Humphreys. Daniel spoke to the ELR and got special permission for us to come and see it. So we are here. As you can see, it's still in its original, what's left off NIR livery at the front, with its fleet numbers at the top. Everything seems to be pretty complete about it. In fact, you can also sort of like make out where the NIR logo was. It is unfortunately just used as a storeroom now because it's not suitable for the ELR's tracks.
So much more of a steam man myself.
Oh, fair enough.
Hydraulics, yes.
Oh, fair enough. It sounded like
Hopefully you've got to see the cab. And this is the actual... Now, according to our escort, Ethan, the engine has been removed. And obviously it has been re-gauged for English tracks. But she is looking rather complete, even in the sorry state. Externally, she looks basically as she did when she was in NIR. I was speaking to one person and he said that she's basically used as a storage for shed now, and it's no longer seated or anything. Just see if I can get a look through the windows. Now they're all steamed up. On behalf of Daniel and myself, I would like to say a big thank you to East Lancs Railway for allowing us to come up, as this is not something that many people get a chance to do, and it was just an off chance that Daniel messaged the ELR and they agreed to let us come up before he goes home. So it's still got its connector at the end. And we've got very similar to one I'm sure I've seen in Northern Ireland behind it. But I don't think it actually is part of Northern Ireland.
thinking of buying it.
No, I'm not that daft.
Right?
I'm not that daft.
Yeah.
I've got enough to worry about with 3 preserved buses.
All right. Northern Ireland, you're in it.
All of the holes that also wants aircraft.
Oh, he owns it. He owns it, doesn't he? You see it.
This is one of the few that's left then from Northern Ireland.
It is. There's only one full set running. Well, I say